Well, good afternoon. This is Jules. Today, well, you can't see it yet, I'm in a place called Biddulph, Biddulph, in Staffordshire, and I'm here for the 2025 Classic Car Show that Biddulph close off their high street and hold every year. It's a mixture of Fords, Mustangs, Ferraris, and basically a good family day out that's held here once a year. The weather, fingers crossed, has held out this year. So introductions over. I'm going to take you for a little walk down the high street, look at some good cars. I'm not going to profess to be an expert on every car, but there'll be minimal commentary, maximum. See you later. So welcome to Wells Street in Biddulph and the 2025 Classic Car Show. Let's go. Fans of the Sweeney?
Done something to it.
Most lads of the 80s first car, Ford Fiesta XR2. I used to love burning up and down the M180 in one of these. Never buy one second hand though, I guess they've been ragged to hell. Same as these, Ford Escort. XR3i, I believe. Trust no one. Good idea. Now this was one of my first cars. Mark 1 Escort. Like I said, they take the high street completely over and the side roads as well. It's a really well hosted, really well planned event. If you ever get wind that this is going on, please do come down. If I do walk past the car that you wanted me to focus on, I do apologise. There's over 150 exhibits here, so I will try and feature them all, at least in passing. But this is a petrol head's dream, this place. TR6 and a TR7. Who didn't want a TR7? And a TR5. I didn't even know a TR5 existed. Certainly get past you. So as we continue down the high street, confronted by a Jag, classic Jag. I'll show you the Jags. I mean, I'll double back on myself. Eagle-eyed amongst you might have spotted in the background the 80s schoolboy's dream car. Sierra XR4i, or in front of it, the Sierra RS Cosworth, the go-to car of a self-employed plumber. And this is in absolutely fantastic condition. Probably one of the best Cosworths I've seen. Now, my first manager had one of these, a blue one, Ken, from Powell Plastics up in Hull. He drove it to work every single day. Rest in peace, Ken. Your car was fantastic, and you weren't a bad old manager yourself. Biddulph Classic Vehicle Show 2025. September 1974. I had a Capri gear, Capri 2-litre gear, white with a black vinyl roof. But this is the later version, the big one, the 2.8. G7 Mad, yep. You have to be to drive one of these.
Like I say, people don't realise that.
Yeah, bend down to him then, and then you'll be all right. Okay. His name is Jamie.
Let's go and have a look at the 2.8 engine, shall we? Sorry. The power in these things was unbelievable. And when you were driving them, you were so low down in the cockpit that all you could see was that bump in the bonnet. And that was your focus. Thank you very much. Cheers. Owners just said I can open it up, so here we go. Oh, it actually smells like the 80s as well. That brings back memories for me. Complimentary sunroof as well. Let's listen to the clunk. Yeah, that's a Ford clunk. Yep. They certainly do not make them like they used to. Like I said, there are far too many cars to go into detail here. This will turn into a 25-minute video.
Let's go speak to the man now.
Thank you. Your accountant's Ford Fiesta. There's a Capri, another one with 2.8 injection. That is a Prefect. Wow. That your mum and dad and your grandparents used to own. Oh, my grandparents owned this. Yeah. Moggy Minor. Oh, it's the van. Wow, this is immaculate, man. It's getting a bit dark, so I hope I get to the whole of the street. There is a lot to see here. Look at these. I'll just let you look on a little walk past. Minder. Sure, Arthur Daly used to own one of these.
go pub one day, you go pub another day, do this, do that, go to the car club meetings. You've got to do something. Yeah. What's the one of
And he brought them into the sideline.
These were all the rage when they came out, these Nissans. Still not a bad old car. Beamers, this is what I've got. Not quite as tidy. Hi. That's what's under the bonnet on a TVR. Right folks, we're about halfway down the high street and we still have 2 side streets to go. I think that was a minder Jag. Arthur Daly, rest in peace. Ford Cortina. It is certainly going to rain, I think. Oh, I promised the owner of this I'd come back. Hello again, sir. This gentleman used to actually work in the factory and liked it so much he bought one.
I've had this one 25 years.
Owned this one for 25 years, yes?
Yeah.
And cherished it from day one, I'm sure.
It was in a poor state when I bought it, but I've done it up.
And a fantastic job it is. Pride and joy. Thank you, sir. Right, down here, beyond the Rolls Royce, look at that, the original engine as well. So there's inside the Rolls Royce. Patriotic, I love to see it. It's a Silver Shadow, look at that. That's an amazing car. But down here we have kit cars, Ferraris, and a very rare VW. So let's just walk past because there's not much I can really say about these apart from they're fast. I mean, this one is the absolute creme de la creme when it comes to the Ferraris. On to the Jags. Like I said, they really do organise this very, very well. They try and group similar performance cars together. So if you're looking at a Mini, you'll look at more Minis. If you're looking at a Ferrari, you'll look at more Ferraris. Ford Mustang. And a VW Eagle. I hope the AA isn't here for the VW Eagle. But this is as rare as hen's teeth, this thing. Look at this thing. How amazing is that?
Tony.
I want.
Oh.
It's not. Oh, there is, yeah.
Let's get round the back. So XJR Jag. There's not much room at the back, unfortunately. These gentlemen passed.
His name, yeah. Apparently, his wife.
So this is the back of a collection of cars we just walked past. Nothing will beat this. I think this is my car of the show. Amazing. You're definitely the car of the show for me. I hope you won.
Nothing on his dashboard, so I doubt.
He's got no taste in. This looks like a Ferrari kit car, or it might be a professional racer. .308 GTB Ferrari. I imagine getting stuck behind that. Well, I don't think you'd be stuck behind him for long. So here we are, back to the high street. I'm glad this gentleman's silver shadow is getting attention, because he deserves it. I get the impression that's his wife. And she's beautiful. Prefect again. Now this gentleman over here, I was speaking to this gentleman earlier, and this is actually a Toyota Camry with 1 or 2 extras, including on cue, thank you very much. He's definitely a fan of cult classic films, that's for sure. Hello again, sir.
Hello, you alright?
Yeah. So can you tell me a little bit about the car, like you did last time?
Yeah, it's a Toyota Camry, 2002. It started off as a bit of a joke about how it's modified, but based on computer games like Twisted Metal, Carmageddon, and then obviously Death Race films, we started to build the car up. So originally, when I first started modifying it, was Spider-Man and Venom, and then we decided overnight to spray paint it like this at the car show. So we just got some metal cans from Poundland, and
the rest is history.
Yeah, and we just keep adding.
I think that's the best way to do something. Just follow your instincts and do it, rather than plan.
The hardest thing about doing something like this is the initial cut.
Yes.
Because once you start, it's like, is it ever going to go back the way you want it?
Yeah.
And then if I make a mistake, but as you can see, it's...
I don't suppose you ever bought this car to get rid of it though, did you? So
no, it's an end of life car.
Yeah, exactly. It's amazing. It is probably the only time you can say it is definitely one of a kind.
Yes.
Thank you.
6 months.
So if you're into your VW campers, this is the place to go. Two old codgers on tour, living the dream, I say. You're not an old codger? Alright, how you doing? You're saying it says 2 old codgers on tour, but you're certainly not an old codger.
My dad's gone, my dad's van and my brothers.
Yeah.
And them also my brothers and dads, so Volvo's there.
Alright, okay.
This has got a Scooby engine.
I'll have a look in a minute, but I mean, this is living the dream nowadays, isn't it? It's fantastic. Thank you. And there's the Scooby engine. Wow. I think you've passed me on the M6 several times. I'm not surprised. A little bit of peace. But like I said, get yourself down to Biddulph next year. They do deserve the support. This is a fantastic show. Free to get in as well. You just turn up, park your car, completely free entry. You'd be hard pressed to find another car show like this, but it's free entry. Lovely Morris Minor here. VW Polo. And a Lloyd, wow. That's okay. It's yours. Star in it. It's amazing.
Different.
Can you tell me a little bit about the history? Do you mind being on camera? Oh, sir. So, can you tell me a little about your Lloyd 650 and how it came to be?
From a farm up at Malcom
Okay.
in 1979.
Mm.
I didn't actually buy it, but I sprayed a vehicle and he exchanged the price of spraying it for this car.
Well, I think that's a good payment, to be honest.
It's about 75 quid at the time. And I've done it up over the years,
Yeah.
and this is what we got now.
So this is a...
cylinder two-stroke
Okay.
that runs on normal petrol, doesn't have oil in the petrol,
Mm.
but it's got a charging pump that blows the fuel into the engine.
Yep.
So it's got an oil-fed crankshaft, like a normal conventional engine, and the fuel is blown in with this charging pump.
Right, okay. So that's a modification to the original then?
No, it's original.
That's the original? Oh, wow.
It's got independent suspension all round, on coil springs. In 1948, but in 1948 everybody was on leaf springs. Well, this has got coil all round.
It's got coil all round.
Yeah. And
Fantastic.
They're all in like a little damper.
Yeah.
It's quite like a kit car, a modern kit car.
Yeah.
But it's all modern kit
But
cars.
it's as original as you can possibly get.
It is
isn't
original.
So, yeah.
It's all original.
Lovely to speak to you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Fantastic. Look at the space.
As you can get, even down to a 6-volt battery.
Yeah, but just look at the space. I mean, look at the space. No electrics, nothing. It's just.
No electrics.
It's just.
2 wires to the engine. That's
Yeah.
it. Start.
And it's not
650cc,
650. Yeah. Okay.
but it's pulling like 12.5 weight, so it doesn't have much.
No.
power. You don't need it. And
That's where it gets its speed.
Aluminium body,
So it's lightweight.
all steel wheels. They breathe up tight, the wheels. So we call them pizza wheels.
Pizza wheels. I can see why.
And they're
I bet they're as rare as hen's teeth as well. To try and find a spare.
no problem.
No problem. Okay.
I've got 3 already.
I'm sure you do. Whenever you see one, you'll collect them. So,
No,
thank you very much indeed.
Okay, cheers.
Lovely to
Thank you.
speak to you. This is what I like about these car shows is obviously people bring their cars here to be friendly. If you come here grumpy, then you're not going to get many people looking at your car. But everyone's got time to chat about the cars. Everyone's got time to share their enthusiasm. Yeah, it's just fantastic. And we are on 18 minutes. This is going to be a long video, folks. I think we're about halfway through. This might even be a 2-parter, you never know. In fact, yes. This is a fantastic place to say this is the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, folks.